My name is Leon Jones Jr., and I'm the managing attorney here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group. Today, I want to talk about the heart of estate planning. It's more than just paperwork. When we hear the words estate planning, our minds often jump to legal documents, wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and so on. And while the legal aspect is critical, today, I want to focus on the side of estate planning that isn't written in legalese, but is just as important: the emotional, financial, and relational aspect that shapes the legacy that we leave behind. You see, a legacy beyond assets in estate planning isn't just about money. It's about how you want to be remembered and how you want to provide for the people you love. Too often, families face uncertainty, confusion, or even conflict over a loved one's possessions when they pass. But because the emotional and personal side of family is overlooked, we don't think about those things. So think about it. What do you really want to leave behind? A smooth transition for loved ones or unnecessary stress? A sense of security or uncertainty? A strong family bond or lingering resentments? These aren't legal questions, they're personal ones. Clarity and communication is one of the biggest non-legal aspects of estate planning. You have to have open and honest communication, which can help avoid conversations about uncomfortable things. But imagine the alternative. Your family is left in the dark trying to guess what you wanted them to know. Have those discussions with your spouse, your children, your close family members, and be clear about your intentions. Ask the questions: who do you want to take care of your affairs? How do you want your assets divided? What values do you want to pass down alongside your wealth? And when families talk openly about estate planning, it does reduce confusion, minimizes the conflicts, and ensures that your wishes are honored the way that you intended. Emotional preparedness goes beyond just the financial side of estate planning. It's about preparing your loved ones for a life without you. Have you left behind your wisdom, your stories, your guidance? A legal document can distribute assets, but it cannot replace that personal advice or the encouragement of a handwritten letter. So consider these things. How about leaving a personal letter or video to your loved ones? Maybe even a journal about family history or life lessons, or your perspective on what truly matters in life. And some guidance about managing finances, especially if your family members will be handling assets that they've never managed before. See, this kind of preparation is priceless and often means more than any financial inheritance. Now, there are also ethical and charitable giving opportunities, which are other non-legal aspects of estate planning. And it can make an impact on what you have beyond your immediate family. Many people choose to incorporate charitable giving, whether through donations or setting up a foundation, or simply supporting causes that they cared about during their lifetime. So have you thought about it? Have you thought about what you want your wealth to do for your community or future generations? You see, estate planning is an opportunity to extend your influence and values long after you're gone. It also helps preserving family harmony. We've all heard of stories of families torn apart by inheritance disputes. It's not just about money, it's about emotions, about perceived fairness or unresolved relationships. A well thought out estate plan considers not just who gets the stuff, but how it will affect the family dynamics. For example, if one child has been more involved in your care, does it make sense for them to have more responsibility? If you have a family business, should all the children inherit equally? Or should the ownership go to those who have actively been involved? And if you have a blended family, are there ways to ensure fairness while avoiding tension? These are not just financial decisions, but human ones. Proactively discussing and addressing these issues can help keep your family united rather than divided. It's an ongoing process. Estate planning isn't just a one-time event. Life changes. Relationships change, assets change, priorities evolve over time. So you need to make it a habit to revisit your plan every few years and update it accordingly. Take inventory of not just your financial assets, but also take inventory of the people in your life. Are they still the right choices for your executor, for your guardians? Your wishes and your priorities, do they still reflect your values? Have there been any life changes? Have there been any marriages, divorces, births, new financial circumstances? Staying proactive ensures that your plan is always aligned with your life. It's at the core of estate planning. It's a gift of clarity, peace of mind, and security for your loved ones. It's about ensuring that when the time comes, they aren't left confused and stressed, but they are left with a clear understanding of your wishes and a lasting sense of love and guidance. So let's not think about estate planning as just legal work. Let's look at it as an act of care, an act of responsibility, an act of thoughtfulness. Start those conversations. Write down your values. Make the decision to go beyond just the financial assets. Your true legacy is not just what you leave to your loved ones, but what you leave in your loved ones. Call us today here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group and let us help you leave a gift of peace.